Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, has a long history of using herbal remedies to treat various health conditions. TCM herbs are considered an essential part of the system's holistic approach to wellness, focusing on balancing the body's energy, qi, blood, and yin, yang. Here, we explore 15 key herbs commonly used in TCM, each with its unique properties and uses. Number 1. Ginseng, Ren Shen. Ginseng is one of the most well-known herbs in TCM, renowned for its ability to replenish qi and strengthen the body. It is primarily used for conditions related to energy deficiency, such as fatigue, weakness, and poor stamina. Ginseng is also beneficial for improving concentration, enhancing immune function, and promoting overall vitality. Its adaptogenic qualities help the body cope with stress. Number 2. Angelica sinensis, Dong Qi. Known as the female ginseng, Dong Qi is frequently used in TCM to regulate women's health, particularly for menstrual disorders, menopause symptoms, and blood deficiency. It is believed to nourish the blood, regulate periods, and ease cramps. It is also used to treat anemia, promote circulation, and support overall reproductive health. Number 3. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza. Licorice is one of the most frequently used herbs in TCM, serving as a harmonizer in many formulas. It helps to tonify the spleen, replenish qi, and clear heat. It is commonly used in treating digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and nausea. Licorice is also an adaptogen and is used to support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and detoxify the body. Number 4. Ginkgo biloba, Yin Xing. Ginkgo biloba is most known for its benefits to the circulatory system, particularly for improving blood flow to the brain. It is commonly used to treat memory loss, cognitive decline, and conditions like Alzheimer's disease. In TCM, it is thought to invigorate blood, open the orifices, and clear wind, making it helpful in treating dizziness, tinnitus, and poor concentration. Number 5. Schisandra, Wu Wei Zi. Schisandra, also called the five-flavor fruit, is revered for its ability to balance the body's qi, enhance vitality, and support liver function. It is used to tonify the kidneys, lungs, and heart, improving overall endurance, immune function, and resistance to stress. Schisandra is also helpful in treating cough, asthma, and chronic fatigue. Number 6. Astragalus, Huang Qi. Astragalus is a key herb in TCM for boosting immune function and tonifying the qi. It is commonly used to prevent colds, enhance vitality, and support overall immune health. It also helps strengthen the spleen and digestive system, improves circulation, and reduces the symptoms of chronic illnesses, such as fatigue and low energy. Number 7. Cinnamon, Ru Gui. Cinnamon is a warming herb often used in TCM to treat cold conditions, particularly those that affect the digestive and respiratory systems. It is known to promote circulation, expel cold, and warm the kidneys. Cinnamon is commonly used in formulas to improve digestion, alleviate pain, and treat conditions like arthritis and colds. Number 8. Atractylodes, by Zhu. Atractylodes is used primarily to strengthen the spleen and stomach, improving digestion and resolving dampness in the body. It is especially beneficial for those experiencing bloating, indigestion, and chronic fatigue related to spleen deficiency. It is also used to boost the immune system, reduce edema, and improve the overall absorption of nutrients. Number 9. Goji berry, Goji zi. Goji berries are highly regarded for their ability to tonify the liver and kidneys and improve vision. In TCM, they are often used to treat symptoms of aging, including weakness, low energy, and declining eyesight. Goji berries are also known to nourish the blood, enhance fertility, and support immune health. Number 10. Chinese skullcap, Huang Qin. Chinese skullcap is used for its cooling and detoxifying properties. It is commonly prescribed for conditions associated with heat and toxins in the body, such as fevers, infections, and liver issues. It is especially effective for treating respiratory conditions like cough, bronchitis, and pneumonia. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which support liver health. Number 11. Dong Chong Sha Sao, Cordyceps. Cordyceps is a potent adaptogenic herb used to enhance energy, improve stamina, and support lung and kidney health. It is often recommended for those with chronic fatigue, low energy, or respiratory conditions. Cordyceps is known for its ability to strengthen the immune system, improve oxygen utilization, and promote longevity. Number 12. Polygonum multiflorum, Heeshou Wu. Heeshou Wu is primarily used in TCM to tonify the blood, nourish the kidneys, and promote longevity. It is often used to treat premature graying of hair, as it is believed to restore color and vitality to the hair. It also addresses conditions like constipation, low energy, and weak tendons, and is known to have rejuvenating properties for the skin. Number 13. Chinese date, Jujube. Jujube is commonly used to nourish the blood, strengthen the spleen, and calm the mind. It is particularly useful in cases of insomnia, poor appetite, and digestive weakness. Jujube is often used to improve energy levels and boost the immune system. It is also used to treat anemia and increase vitality. Number 14. Peony root, Kai Shao. Peony root is valued for its ability to invigorate the blood, soothe the liver, and alleviate pain. It is commonly used to treat conditions like menstrual cramps, abdominal pain, and joint discomfort. Peony root helps in cooling the blood, clearing heat, and reducing inflammation, which makes it effective for treating conditions like acne and swollen, painful joints. Number 15. Bupleurum, Chai Hu. Bupleurum is a key herb used in TCM to relieve stagnation in the liver and promote the flow of qi throughout the body. It is often used to treat conditions such as depression, irritability, and digestive discomfort caused by qi stagnation. Bupleurum is also beneficial in alleviating fever, colds, and symptoms of liver qi stagnation, such as bloating and a sensation of fullness in the chest or abdomen. These 15 herbs represent a broad spectrum of medicinal benefits, each with unique properties that make them essential to TCM practice. From boosting qi and tonifying blood to clearing heat and promoting circulation, these herbs are central to the holistic approach of TCM. Whether used individually or in combination, these herbs help balance the body's internal environment and treat a wide range of conditions, from digestive issues to respiratory illnesses and immune deficiencies. Integrating these herbs into a personalized treatment plan under the guidance of a trained TCM practitioner can significantly enhance overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.